Wednesday, March 22, 2023. Earlier I uploaded the video for the 725 and 9-speed transmission that it's out there in pieces on the table. Yay! Standing by for the transmission of the Porsche, of the Beetle. Standing by for the parts. Now, this is different video. This is for the RS3. Before it was on the TTRS for the fuel system. Okay, now it's for the RS3. Same things, just different installation, because different space and different units had inside the TTRS, different now the RS3. I made a mistake yesterday and upload one video, one picture on Instagram. I'm showing this plate. I fix it here, this one, on the lathe. And I put also helicoil inside. This is as a basement for the surge tank. And I upload a video, it was looks like that. You see it's not clean. They said to me, this is made in Bangladesh. No, this is made by me here. If you don't like it, find another one. Okay? I don't have a milling machine here, I don't have a drill press. I have one drill press, but it's not, it's F up. In any case. So, let's see the parts before I continue. I make one small difference, because on the previous one, on the previous surge tank, I didn't make a lip, and I end up looking for the holes. On this one I make this small lip to center it. We have the surge tank, I already opened it, I install inside the two pumps. This will go around with two pumps. It's existing only two pumps inside, the third pump it's not existing. Alright, I put the level switch inside with the correct order. That means when it's up it's off, when it's going down it's turning on the light. Overflow blocked, obviously, because the stock pump is gonna push here inside and has to maintain some pressure. Fine, that's the bolts for that. Here I have some cable, some wire. All these pieces was in 5-6 different boxes, and I just opened it and I put it in one box. Alright, fuel regulator, fuel filter, the pressure gauge for the fuel pressure, relays, fuses, wiring, pretty much that's it. Now, I'm just making this video for the customer, for the owner, obviously, to bring front the title, to don't looking for it. I don't even remember the title of this video. Okay, I'm gonna find out. Fine, and let's see how it sits the surge tank on the adapter. By the way, I open the holes by eye. I just get this one and I saw where it was approximately and I just tap it. It's not with the, I didn't put on the lathe, I didn't make any measurement, just placed on. So, like I said, this is how it sits. That's the lip that has inside. Alright, has a little bit movement, left and right. It's almost a millimeter. Just to center it. Let me get the bolts out to put it in. Okay, I already tested actually yesterday. I'm just busy with other stuff. I put a helicoil here because for me at least it's important, even for safety, to don't go away the surge tank. If you tap it M6 by 1, let us say, without helicoil, when you torque it down first time with a little bit blue Loctite, it will gonna be fine. But if you open it, let us say in the future, and you want to re-torque it down again, it will not gonna be that good. That's my point. Now with the helicoil inside, we're never gonna have any problem. It's gonna be much more secured, much more safe, and even if you want in the future to take it apart, to take it out, it's gonna be fine. And I'm trusting more the helicoil than to be on the aluminum. So now let's see what I have done. I'm not torquing it full down. It's important thing for me to go inside and to don't start scraping the bolt on the side, left and right. Looks like that I'm not blind and I did a good job by eye. Now, I was willing to make it in the center exactly to be able to do that, to be able to turn it, to spin it, to have some space. So let's see. Here, this by eye, by the way, and the owner, he was front when I was making the first marks to start drilling. Then he left. Alright, let's see that. Yeah, you see this is not touching 100%, this is touching 100%. It's touching, touching. So I miss only this one by a millimeter, something like that. Amazing, excellent. So yes, you can say that you can call it that it's been made from Bangladesh, because that's what he said, that guy on Instagram. If you don't like it, make your own. All right. I don't care actually. And that's how it looks like from down. I machined it. I machined 2 millimeters from here. I had space 3 millimeters, and I machined 2 millimeters because no need to be more thick than this. It's more than enough. And that's it. Now I have to open it again. Yay. Not now, later on, because I don't have a time. There is a priority with M177. There is with the transmission. There is a priority with that transmission. There are another 2 CJX engines. One it's a short block, the other one it's a full block. The rest for the fuel system is there up, fuel rail and this kind of stuff. M177, like I said, M157 here, M156 there. This is, I didn't cover it because I didn't wash it, I didn't prepare it. It's not done. The 725 transmission outside, splendid, beautiful. So yeah, it is what it is. Some people, they place some comments, they're asking something. I'm sorry, I don't have a time. I'm not touching the phone. I'm touching the phone just only to make one small video. All these videos is from my mobile, all right, from the phone. I'm just putting together the clips and then I'm uploading. That's what I'm doing. I don't have a time to answer in the comments. I'm sorry about that. And I have said that whoever wants to answer to any comment, feel free and answer. There is no problem with me. It's fine. Nothing wrong, you know. I have said that before. You like something from the videos, you can take the video, you can download it, mute it, put your voice, you know, and re-upload it again. It's perfect fine with me. You don't even have to mention my name or something. It's free. Nobody will tell you something. Nothing, anything, literally. So let us say if you want to, you can cut this video, what I'm showing here, all right? Remove my voice, put your voice, upload it as yours video. There is no problem with me, it's fine. It's perfect fine. No hard feeling, all right? The important thing is the owner to see what I'm doing. If he has any suggestion, or if he doesn't like something, to communicate with me and say to me, or with the office actually, and tell him that no, don't do it like this. Or he'll gonna pass by, he'll gonna tell me I don't like it, as an example. Either for the fuel system, or for the transmission, or for the engine, or for whatever. Okay? Just to be on the same page. Thank you very much. Have a good day. But sorry, since I said all these things that's not related to the fuel system, let's put also this at the end, right? Some people, they're saying that they cannot understand my accent, okay? I don't have any problem with that. Some people, they're saying that I don't speak English very well. I don't have any problem with that. If you don't understand what I'm saying, don't watch the video. I have mentioned this 1 million times. Don't make me repeat myself. You know, it's stupid for somebody to watch a video when he doesn't understand that guy, what he says, any guy. From this point of view. And like I'm saying 1 million times, you want to like it, you want to dislike it, you want to subscribe, you don't subscribe, do whatever you want. It's up to you. I don't care, literally. Thank you very much. It's not the point. It's not the point to make money from YouTube, or to make likes, or to have subscribers. I don't care. Okay? I do care for some friends of mine. It's welcome. I'm keeping public the videos. Why? Because I have met some people, some smart people with a common sense, that they do give a fuck. And they're not like the other guys that they do give a fuck only to make money. That's why I'm keeping public. Otherwise, I'm gonna put it unlisted. If I see that there are so many garbage out there, I'm gonna put unlisted and I'm gonna send the link to the owner. Just involving more time. When you make it public, that's it. You forget it. It's uploading and you forget it. And finish. End of story. Let's move on. Let's continue. Thank you. Bye.